Hi, this is Alex, and I'm with Northeast Factory Direct. I can't believe it's been 20 years from our humble beginnings out of a small garage in Lakewood with one dining room set. Thinking back, it's just, I can't believe, what we've grown into from that garage to, we had a bunch of storage units at one time, then we moved into an old auto body shop, and now we have these 3 great warehouses that are essentially just big garages. And we typically don't have, President's Day sales, gimmicks, things like that, but we thought, boy, 20 years is a pretty good milestone for us, and we're really proud of that. So what could we do to kind of celebrate that? So all month long, every weekend at a different location, we are going to be having what we're calling a garage sale. And what that means to you is we're going to be doing even better prices, more garage sale pricing on a lot of items, just to celebrate what we're doing and just pass that savings along to all the customers and people that have gotten us here. So we're going to start it off this weekend here at our Cleveland, our West 140th location, and every weekend we'll be doing it somewhere else.